this video, I'm going to share with you 5 micro habits that take less than 2 minutes yet have transformed my life. When I left my 9 to 5 job few years ago, I thought my life would finally change. No more deadlines, no more office politics, and no boss micromanaging me. So I thought I would finally feel happy. But a few months in, I realized I still felt the same. Still stressed, I was still restless, and I was still chasing something. That is when I realized something really powerful. We are always waiting for a big moment to change us. Maybe a new job, moving to a new city, or a new relationship. But the truth is, our life changes when we change small things that we do every day. The micro habits. Tiny everyday actions that seem insignificant in the moment but compound over time and change everything. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 of those habits that completely changed my life. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Prathama. In this channel, I help you find calm, clarity, and confidence with small mindset shifts and habits. If that is something you enjoy, do subscribe and follow along. Habit number 1. Start your day with an intention. Most of us start our mornings on autopilot. We wake up, we grab a phone, we scroll a bit, and suddenly the day is running us. I used to be the same. I used to be busy all day doing tons of stuff, but by night I used to think, wait, what did I even do today? But now I take 5 minutes every morning to sit quietly and write down 3 priorities for the day. Just 3. You can also start with 1. These aren't to-do lists. They are things that actually matter to me today, that will move the needle for me. So when random stuff pops up, I don't get pulled in anymore. I either save it for later or just say no. Those 5 minutes give my day clarity. They clear the mental clutter and make me feel like I am in control of my day. Number 2, unclenching. A few times a day, I just check in with my body. Am I holding tension somewhere? Usually it's in my jaw or in my shoulders. Sometimes I also see that I have a frown on my forehead without even realizing it. When I notice it, I just let it go. I just unclench. And when your body relaxes, your mind follows. Your nervous system starts relaxing too, so you feel lighter instantly. So next time you're stressed, try this. Just observe your body, see where you are holding tension and release it. It takes 10 seconds, but it helps tremendously. Habit number 3, get a small win. There are few days where you feel like you're not in the mood or you're not able to focus and the day just feels unproductive somehow. When you're feeling that way, you can try this habit. You can try to get yourself a small win. What do I mean by that? It could be a small 5-minute task like clearing a desk, maybe folding a few clothes or washing that one mug that is sitting in your sink. When you do something small but intentional, your brain registers it as progress. From a psychological perspective, it switches you from passive state where you are stuck thinking or consuming to an active state where you are doing something. The tiny bit of movement tells your brain, oh, I am in control again. And once your brain feels like it is in control, it naturally wants to keep going. So the next time you feel a little stuck or scattered, just get in a small win. So if you have enjoyed any of the habits till now, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Habit number 4, reframing my thoughts. Just like I check my body through the day, I have also started checking my thoughts too. Because the way we talk to ourselves and the stories we keep telling ourselves becomes our reality. Now, whenever I catch a harsh thought, I try to reframe it. If I had an unproductive day and I find myself saying, I'm so lazy, I immediately changed it to, I am feeling lazy today. See the difference? One sounds like an identity and the other sounds like a passing feeling. Or when I think I didn't do a good job, I reframe it and tell myself I did the best I could today. And then I ask myself, what did I learn from this? because improvement is what is necessary, not criticizing myself. It's such a small change in words, but it completely changes how we feel about ourselves. Number 5, end the day with wins. At the end of the day, our brain automatically starts to think about what didn't go well today. Some random comment or an email that you did not write. So I consciously try to change it. Instead of thinking about what didn't go well, I sit and write down about what did go well today. It could be something as simple as replying to a message that I've been putting off for a long time, or cooking myself a meal that I absolutely enjoyed. I call it my wins journal. It is a simple list of tiny things that went right each day, and it shifts the focus from I did not do enough to I am doing okay. It helps me sleep better, and more than that, it helps me end my day feeling proud instead of feeling guilty. Comment down below which of these habits you would like to start trying from today. Just one micro habit is enough for you to have a completely different life.